New day, got a new tool. So what I'm going to do is, instead of cutting all of this little bit of, like, I don't know if y'all can even see it, this surface rust in here in the frame, instead of going in there and cutting everything off, I'm just going to sandblast it and put some rust reformer on there, and then I'm going to get some Eastwood internal frame coat and go over it with that. Sorry, I'm blinding y'all, aren't I? So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Should've known that was gonna happen.
What's up, guys? Out here again, day 3. I was about to get started. I can't find my gloves. So I figured I'd take a second to show you what I got here. So it's in place. Been tack welded in a few spots. Got a few spots actually welded, and none of that's been brushed or anything. It's just, I just welded it and left it. And then on the back side here, whoops. Got the whole top done. And that is ground down, obviously you can see that. Still got a lot of grinding work to get done, but yeah, that's ugly. I think I might just grind all that off and do that again. But everything else looks pretty solid. That one up there is a little ugly too, but I can't really get in there very well. It's a pretty tight spot. I got that. That's beefy, man. That's a thick weld. And so is that. It's just super ugly. But yeah, it's almost done. And I'm not gonna paint it yet. Not today, at least. Almost done grinding that weld down. Thing looks good, but I'm not gonna paint it or anything today because it's been here for 3 days, and I don't want to wait for it to like cool all the way down. I'm just gonna get it out of his garage because I'm in my dad's garage, and he's been nice enough to let me hog it for 3 days. So I just want to get it done and get it out of his garage, and then we'll do the paint video, I guess, at my house. So yeah, that's the update. I'm gonna go ahead and get to grinding some of this down, get the rest of it welded up, and then I'll do another, probably a short video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do this as a series of videos or, you don't care. Anyway, so that's where we're at. I'm gonna get to work. Oh my Lord. I just did like a 5-minute rant to you guys, and I wasn't even recording. I had just taken a picture. so dumb. Anyway, let me show you what I've gotten done. Oh jeez, I already did this. I'm having deja vu. I feel like I've already shown y'all this. All right, so I've gotten from that corner, and none of this has been cleaned. I took a wire brush to that section just to see, you know, what kind of penetration I was getting and everything. But yeah, those are nice and beefy, because I'm gonna be taking this thing off road and all that jazz, and I don't want to lose a chunk of my frame while we're out on the trails and stuff. So I'm doing nice, huge welds up top, and then I'm gonna go back over this here. I'm gonna go back over this here because that it's still hot. Toasty. Go back over that. Some nice chunky, because you see, well, chunky. Speaking of chunky, see how it's kind of spotty and bleh. So I'm gonna go back over that with another weld and then grind that back down as well. But yeah, I'm almost done. I'm so close to being complete. Having my truck back, this is gonna feel so nice. I've been riding with my girlfriend to work. Yes, we work together, and it is awesome. So anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and because the garage is pretty much clear of smoke. I was just taking a break because the garage was totally smoked out. The welder was trying to suffocate me. So yeah, there we are. Safety cap in place, almost completely welded. The backside is already done and ground down. So yeah, I've got this front section to do, and then we're riding home, buddies. All right, don't forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna do it in order this time. Subscribe, comment, then if you feel like it, if your fingers aren't too tired from all that YouTubing, smash the like button, buds. But I have to get this thing out of his garage today. I feel like total turd. I've had it in here for 3 days now. But yeah, leave some comments. Let me know what projects you guys want to see next. If you want me to keep going on the trailer, which I'm gonna do and I'm gonna record, but let me know what you guys want to see first. You know, I might be able to shuffle some projects around. Like my dad just put up a pool at his house. Could have recorded some of that, but it didn't even hit me, you know. Mostly because I was under the truck doing this, but okay. I think my rant's over now. Anything else? Nope, I think that's it. All right, dudes, I will give you another little update after I'm done welding and show you what I get done. Peace out, guys.
Woo! Alrighty, boys and girls. Oy, let's get the light cranking here. So, went back and beefied that boy up, and they're all wire brushed and clean and everything now, so you can joke all you want. Nice and beefy. And that one there, I just finished, that is actually triple welded now. And all the way across the top. Get it good. Some good light on it. Oh, can't get light. Get light on it. Oh, there you go. You get the point. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! And I'll come back and why do I even still have all this on? I'll come back and grind that down.
Whoa. I'll come back and grind all that down somewhat flush, just make it look sort of pretty-ish, and paint some Rust-Oleum, probably enamel, because enamel just, that stuff just is you need a grinder to get it off. So I'll probably spray some rust converter stuff on it first, and then hit it with some enamel primer, and then maybe some undercoating. Not quite sure, but I want to get some good coats of paint, primer and paint on the new section of the frame here, and all of my fresh welds before I put undercoat, because, and this is something a lot of people don't know, they just go straight for that rubber or plastic undercoat. If a piece of that undercoat gets scuffed, water can get underneath the undercoat, and it'll just sit there and chew your frame up. So don't go over bare metal with now look, I'm not the authority on framework, believe me. Obviously, you can see my work. I'm not a pro. I'm good enough to get by, and I'm good enough to do this here, but I'm not like a professional. I'm a hairstylist, guys. I'm a hairstylist. But don't go over bare metal with a rubberized coating. It's just not a good idea, and that I have heard from pros. So but yeah, boys, we're done. I'm about to check everything real quick. I'll probably, you know, I want my dad to come look at it so I can brag, but pull everything down, put the truck back together, drop it, and now I'm driving home, buds. It's done. I'm not painting it today. I'm not messing with any of that today. I'll clean it up and paint it at home. I really just want to get this truck back home, you know, back on the road at least. Do a test drive around, maybe hit a couple curbs or something, run into a side of a building, make sure the frame is solid. Okay, I'm just kidding, but I do want to test the frame out and, you know, do a little shimmying and shaking and I might actually, you know, pop a couple curbs, like in a safe area, obviously, and give it a good wrenching to make sure everything is solid. I'm not gonna get any cracks on the interstate or anything, but yes, my friends, I am done welding. It is on, it is secured. Now I just gotta put everything back together, pull it out of the garage, clean my dad's garage up because I made an absolute mess. I sandblasted in here, I did all kinds of crap and just wrecked his garage floor. So I've got to, I mean, look at that. That's all metal shards and a little bit of the blaster media, but mostly metal shards from welding and grinding and all that jazz. But anyway, so we're looking good, boys. We're looking good. So yeah, I'm gonna get to work on that because I would love to get the heck up out of this hot, really hot garage and go home and sit in some AC with my beautiful lady. So comment, subscribe. I'm gonna edit this. Subscribe, comment, like or dislike, whatever floats your boat, man. I prefer you like, but you know, hey, if you hate me, you hate me. There's nothing I can do about that. So smash your buttons either way. If you aren't subscribed yet and you're watching my videos, consider subscribing. You know, just smash the button. Doesn't take much effort. And comment. Leave the comments. I really want to know what you guys think of what I'm doing. If I'm doing it wrong, if I'm doing it right, if you like it, if you hate it, let me know. But I'm gonna stop talking you guys' ears off. I'm gonna get this truck done, and I'm going home. Peace out, guys. Okie dokie. I am done. I am totally and completely done. Muffler is put back on. New bolts. Got a new flange gasket in there. Everything's done. It's back on the ground. Woo! Frame is fixed. Everything is back in place. Now I just got to clean up his garage because I made an absolute mess. So I'm going to pull the truck out first. Then I'm going to start putting all my crap in the back of the truck. And so I can sweep and clean up his floor because I've just savagely brutalized his floor. It's pretty bad, actually. Glass beads and... Anyway, so the update is I'm done. I'm done with it. It's pretty. Again, I'm not going to paint it. I'm sure I said that earlier. I get kind of sidetracked, but I'm not going to rust proof or do any of that today. I'm going to drive it home. 3 days of this. I'm done under the truck for now. I'll paint it probably next weekend or something. We'll see. But yeah, I'm done. I'm getting all this stuff picked up, getting my super expensive brand name Chicago Electric welder. I'm just kidding. It's cheap Harbor Freight. But yeah, I'm gonna pick all my crap up. Oh, and while I got y'all, so this is everything that I cut out. Actually, there's a few pieces missing because they got kicked around, but all this, obviously besides the bolt, cut all this off. That's my old frame. Now it looks like this. Yes. Alright, my friends. I know I've said it like 6 times in this video, but please, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Leave some comments. Drop me a couple likes. And have an awesome fucking... I'll edit that out. Have an awesome day and weekend. Alright, y'all. Next video, next time. Till then, peace out, buddies. Okay, so I'm driving right now. I haven't heard any Don't smell any weird smells except for that car in front of me that looks like it's about to fall apart. That's kind of scary. I don't have any kind of pull. It's riding straight as can be. I don't hear any scrubbing, rubbing, none of that. So my tire seems to be where it should be. Yeah, I guess I just wanted y'all to see how cool I look in my sunglasses. Just kidding. Wanted to give y'all an update on how I was driving after all was said and done. Because that, you know, you can do all that crap I just did, but it doesn't drive right. You didn't do it right. So you got to redo it. So it's rolling smooth as can be. I don't feel any weird suspension geometry issues. Like when I hit a bump, everything just feels smooth and flowy. Mostly because I got like 1,000 pounds in the back right now. If I didn't have all that stuff back there, it'd be a little bit more rugged of a drive. But you know, when you've got the shocks slightly preloaded, it's a much softer ride. So I have no complaints. I just filled the tank. I've got a bunch of weight in the back, and I've been doing all kinds of jerking the wheel, obviously in a safe place. I did it in a parking lot where there was nobody around. Only thing I haven't done is like really give the suspension up and down work, you know, like go on and off some curbs and things like that, which I'll do as soon as I get home. You know, I'll pop my curb by my house, like in front of my house, and let the suspension kind of unload and load up again. But I don't think any of that's going to be an issue, so hopefully this will be the last update on the frame weld job. All right, guys. Well, see you on the next one.